The brain is trying to like, okay, what are you doing next? So small amount we want to do is enough, not too thick, not too thin. Too thick is going to flood your crystal. Too thin is not going to adhere your crystal. So I'm gonna go at like blend the condensed blue gels. It look like I have a little bit much, so I'll make sure that I don't float it like a lot of condensed blue gels on. And then follow with the no wipe top coat. Here you go. And now I'm gonna pick the really cute simple design. It's had the frame. I put it in the middle of the frame. And then I always do one size first, and then I'm gonna look on the others and adjusting it, because you want to make sure this is not crooked at all, or it's not even. So when you're doing your dominance hand, just give yourself some time and don't be like rush. Where am I at? There you go. It's like, hey, you just try to go on the top of the other frame. Oh, hey, I forgot the beads on this one. Duh.
It's okay. It's pretty out there.
I like, what did I missing? You know, it's wanna, your bright brain is working, because left hand doing them bright brain working. And I like, I think I'm missing something, but hey, it still looks nice without beads.
Mm-hmm.
All right, this one looks cute though, with or without beads. So I'm gonna put some beads on, maybe some frame on if you want to. Like when you are doing the left hand, use a left hand doing right hand, and you want everything the same with the right, with the left hand's hats. Just imagine it. Alright, so the frame right there, if I ask Hugh to help me cut this one, can you help me cut this? Like in half. So now if you can find a frame, like you can't find the length that you want, just cut it using the crystal clipper remover, and you just cut, bam, like in 1 second. Yeah. It's coming along. Let's see. Oh, not bad at all. Okay. Can I see? Thank you.
One more or no?
So far so good. Thank you. Oh, I like. Okay, good. So I try to do my nails, like dress it and like I have a 2 inches nails. Because like it's going from the long to the short and I want everything. And hey, is this fine? If you want everything, do it so. Living your best life. Alright, so where is it? I'm gonna add some of this crystal. Okay. That's it. You want more? Add more. If you're happy with this, well, I'm going to cure this. Where am I?